Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the Batty mobile game 60 FPS testing using the GFX tool in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. Right now, as you can see, this is a Realme GT Neo 3 which I am trying to use. The main reason of me using the GFX tool is because this phone, by default, you can only play at 30 FPS in the Batty mobile game. So I'm getting so many comments asking me to try the GFX tool and to check 60 FPS is supported or not. Right now I'm trying to install this exact GFX tool application in this moment, as you can see even clearly. So sometimes what happens is that some of the UIs, they will try to restrict. You cannot go more than that. Doesn't matter what config file, what GFX file you use, so you cannot increase more than that. For example, in the Realme X and Max, the default settings are 90, but the UI is limited only to 70. Even if you do any other, if you install any other GFX tool or maybe config file, doesn't matter, still the FPS remains only 70 FPS. It cannot increase more than 70. Same thing I'm understanding, friends. I need to find out in this Realme GT Neo 3, can you play at 60 and 90 FPS or not using this config file, this GFX file. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. And I'll try to choose the 60 FPS. I'll try to select and everything. As you can see, it's clearly I'm trying to select the extreme settings. Smooth and extreme I'm trying to select, as you can see clearly. So classic style I'll try to leave it normal and high. So rest of the things I'll try to select to the default. So only the shadows and everything I did try to select to the extreme settings, as you can see even clearly. And on the top I did select the smooth and extremes. Let's try with the 60 FPS whether we can actually play this game or not properly. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. Let's go back and run the game. And right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to use the GFX tool just to find out what's going on, whether we can play at maximum highest graphic settings or not in the GT Neo 3 device. Let's find out using with the GFX tool. Right now the game is opening at this moment, and let me go to the system status and we'll try to find out is there any update has happened with the default graphic settings or not. So this exact GFX tool which I used to use in plenty of other smartphones, but unfortunately even this is not working at this moment. I'm not getting any kind of 60 FPS. No. So in case if you do have the Realme GT Neo 3 and if you do know any other GFX tool applications, let me know in the comments. I can definitely try those GFX tool in my testing as well in my device. I did enable the GT mode. Even after enabling the GT mode, still the config file, still the GFX file is not helping. It's still remaining around only 30. I cannot see any kind of 60 FPS happening at this moment, unfortunately at this time. That's something to be noted, friends, regarding the 60 FPS gameplay test. So right now maybe the UI might be limiting. I think I'll try to use different GFX tool again. I'll be back in the next upcoming videos, but right now I'm not getting that kind of 60 FPS at this moment, even after using the GFX file. As I said, some of the UIs they might be able to restrict. You cannot go more than that. So I will be back, friends, in the next upcoming videos testing out with another GFX tool applications. Please let me know in the comments what are other GFX tool applications you want me to try. I'll definitely try to use those applications as soon as possible. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. This is the first application which I got in the Play Store after typing the GFX tool. Same application I have installed. That's it, directly. If you know any other GFX tool which is working, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely use that application. Until then, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and bye.